Well, welcome back to Nomadic Wandering Star. And we're out here in Lyons County, Kansas at the State Fish and Game Wildlife Preserve. There's a lot of hunting can go on out here and whatnot. So it's pretty cool. Wandering Star behind me. We gave the trailer a name finally. We call it Moon Shadow. Because we're being followed by a moon shadow, right? Okay. So anyway, I'm going to rotate this around so I can get you some pictures. Figure out how to use this damn thing. There we go. It's a beautiful lake. Now, camping is not the best here because there are really no campsites. I mean, we found one, I guess you could call it a campsite. It's down here where you can turn around and park your vehicle and go fishing. But there's no swimming or no alcoholic beverages. Wow, that's cool. But anyway, it's a beautiful little spot and got a quay to fish from. Like I say, we got a pretty decent little spot right there. So, but the real reason I'm making this video, this is Kansas, and it's kind of breezy, but not bad. But real reason I'm making this video is that it's a free state park. Now, we've stayed at some county parks and some city parks, and they usually charge a fee. I think the last one we stayed at had water and electric and charged $8 a night. Didn't have a dump. Didn't need a dump. Had a spot for about 3 vehicles. Beautiful place. Then another one we stayed at was out there in, hell, I can't remember where it was. Lacken, Kansas. Now, they had a place that had covers over their picnic tables. Had water, electric, and it was $10 a night. And what pisses me off is these little municipalities do this for us. They have like 8 campsites. 3 or 4 were open. I watch people come in at 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, set up their camp. They don't pay, and they're out there about 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. You know, it's y'all doing that. Keep doing it, yeah, because pretty soon these municipalities, try saying that real fast, are going to stop doing this, and I don't blame them. I mean, you know, they're water and electric. You know, you hook your rig up and you get to sit there and enjoy that for as many days as you want. Some of them have a limit, some of them don't, and I've seen this happen. Another one was Meeker, Colorado. Beautiful park, beautiful city park. Oh my goodness. Right on the river. And you can sit there, and it was $20, but all you got was electric. And it was a free dump. They just asked for donations. And we stayed there 2 nights, paid $40. And I watched 2 people come in and do that. You know, you're not getting away with anything. You're just ripping people off. And a lot of these little cities, they don't have that money. But incidentally, if you make it to Meeker, 30 miles east is White River National Forest. They're slim on camping spots too, but hey, it's beautiful. So anyway, I just wanted to get that off my chest because it just pisses me off when you do that. You people know who you are. And so, thank you very much for listening to my rants. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave a comment, tell your friends, share it. I gotta watch where I'm going. I will step on something, trip, and bust my ass. So, y'all take care. Welcome back. Another video coming in about 2 weeks when I do the radiator on the Star. Take care.